Hello everyone, for this part of the question we do need to factorize the following, and Mr. Tan going to make use of my cross chart to do that. So I would have my x squared and positive 24 written here. I will also have my negative 11x written here. So I just need to make sure that I will have x times x to give me x squared. As for 24, when I list out all the factors here, I need to select a pair that will allow me to get 11. And 3 and 8 will allow me to do that. Now the question is, how do I get the negative 11? So if I have negative 3 multiplied by negative 8, that will still give me positive 24. I repeat, negative 3 multiplied by negative 8 will give me positive 24. And when I multiply them, I will get negative 8x here, negative 3x here, and when I add them up, it does give me back my negative 11. Yeah? And so I would be able to get my final answer here. The final answer would be x minus 3, x minus 8. And we are done for this question. And let's move on to the next question. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize 11w minus 24 minus w squared. And if I were to rearrange it by placing my negative w squared in front, positive 11w followed by negative 24, I start to see some similarities with what we had gotten previously at the right hand side of the screen in the previous part of the question. Yeah, similar, but still not quite the same. So Mr. Tan realized that I could then take out negative 1 out, and I will have my positive w squared, negative 11w, positive 24, which does look quite similar to x squared minus 11w plus 24. Yes, and therefore I could make use of this result that we have previously gotten here. So it will be negative w minus 3, w minus 8. And we are done by making direct application of the results from the previous part. So from here I could see it is some similarity with this, and therefore I could make use of the result. Of course, there are other possible answers if you had multiplied in the negative to either of the bracket. Okay, so the following are alternative as answers to this question. Alright, so we can have 3 and negative w times w minus 8. We could also have positive 8 minus w. Write it in the other way, okay? w minus 3 8 minus W. Okay, all are possible answers. Alright, let's move on to the next question.